Hello everyone. Many of you may already work with Power BI desktop or services to get insight out of your data, and you know that we can create an insight and create a reports in a minute from our data. We can access our data from any places. We can work with any type of the data, and also we can have all of these features about data cleaning, data modeling in a one package. Now, in a one-day workshop in SQL Pass Summit 2019, I'm going to talk about how you can use AI inside Power BI to create more smart application and have more analytics and more view and smart view of our data. So you will see that how we can use R and Python for the aim of machine learning inside Power BI, for the aim of visualization, and also for the aim of machine learning inside Power Query. Moreover, you will see that how we can use cognitive services as a pre-built AI inside Power BI desktop and services for the premium capacity and also as a free one. Also, you will see that how we are able to create a model in Azure Machine Learning Studio and then consume it in Power BI desktop and services. So there are lots of possibility of doing AI in Power BI, like as some of the custom visual that already behind the scene they use lots of interesting algorithm, but you can use them easily to get more analytics of your data. And also I will show you the simple process of creating custom visual using R inside Power BI. So if you want to learn about these things, please join me in SQL Pass Summit 2019 Precon about using AI inside Power BI. Thank you.